welcome back to the channel everyone. So today with me I have a Ford Focus Mark II Red ST. It's quite heavily modified, so I'm going to be driving it and we're going to see what it's got. So I'll show you the exterior now. So this is the Mark II Ford Focus ST. So this is in Colorado red. It's currently running 18-inch Bowler B1s. It's got the bonnet vents done by Nick Wiley. Also has the bonnet latches as well. Track use, yo, jokes. Got the lowers on sport grille with the Ford gel badges. Going towards the top of the car. Wrapped roof, got the wrapped sun strip. Got the RS spoiler, the replica. Massive ass diffuser on the back there with the KMS 5-inch exhaust tips for the Section 18 KMS exhaust. Also got the rally flat mud flaps, so that's pretty much on the outside. So what has this car got then? For a question for the video though, what is your best colour and your favourite colour Ford Focus ST? Let me know. I think I'm going to have to say either white or red for me. You don't see many reds about, do you? There we are though. Looking all mean. Getting into the Ford Focus ST. Ready for the review. One thing I do hate about this car is the steering wheel, but I'll have to let it slip for today. Got the Recaros, the nice red Recaros cloth. Lovely. Obviously no back seats, but there is going to be a roll cage in there very soon. So I'm in the car. I'm just going to get my seat in position. Perfect. Let's see what this car has got. Oh shoot, you got to get the car, haven't you?
Yeah.
Don't buy a Focus ST.
Too much.
What?
That
I don't know. I'm quite small though, aren't I? Still a bit too far. I think I want to open. Right. Seatbelts on. Key. Although keyless. Another reason not to buy a Focus ST.
Alright.
Jokes. I'm joking. I promise. Oh no, I'm still too far away.
I don't know yet.
Yeah, actually I am. Why is the seatbelt so loose? I don't have any problems. Has that even moved?
A bit, yeah.
Right, I'll just leave it as this now.
Sweet.
Seatbelt on. No, it's too tight. Problem solved.
Yep.
Right. Let's turn the beast on. That's your KMS Section 18 for you. So we're on the road. It's a bit loud. Right. So as I said to everyone before in the exterior overview, this car is quite heavily modified. Currently running around about 360 to 1.2 bar, 1.2 bars. Instantly it's changing gear. It's amazing. Going around corners, I thought with it being such a big hatch, I thought it would just be like tail ending out all the time. Not once I feel this back end go out. And I was going around some pretty steep corners. It's a bit lumpy, sorry. Yeah. Oh, the noise of the car as well. Just when you just know when boost, it's just, oh my god, it's just nice. It's nice. I do think the noise of the car helps. It's just nice. Just listen. No, I love it. I actually do like the Focus ST. It feels dead steady going around in corners. Both hands are on the wheel before anyone asks. Going around corners, ish. Just nice, isn't it? I can't stop saying it's nice and just like, but yeah, no. I think the only thing letting the car down is the interior. It's just the steering wheel's bog standard, horrible, bog standard rubbish. The radio, but again, I've jumped to conclusions. It is a 10-year-old car. Well, 8-year-old car going on 10-ish. See what I mean? So I can't say, oh, it's shit. When it's quite an old car. But yeah, with it being, I understand the car's 8-10 years old, so I take it back about the interior, because what else? That's the only thing letting it down. But I am so used to a new interior, guys. So, but yeah, the seats are hugging me in, they're comfy. I do prefer the leather ones on mine. But again, there's just Recaros on, they're just nice and comfy. Boost gauge, I'm going to do a pull now. I'm going to see what the boost gets up to. Yeah. I love letting myself loose in this car. Boost is 23. That was 0 to 70. 23. Boost, it's 23. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I think another thing letting the car down is definitely the fuel consumption. I've only been in it 2 minutes and I'm on 37 miles. And I had about, well, way more than that. So that is definitely a letdown, is the fuel consumption of the car. Apart from that though, decent car. Everything's got carbon around it, which I like. Can't complain a bit of carbon, can you? But no, my boyfriend's gonna hate me with it. Right guys, that's all from me today. It was just a short review really of this car. I do drive it a lot more. I do drive it quite a bit anyway. So, I don't know, what is your thoughts on the Focus ST? Like I said before, what colour do you like? I want to know these things. And I want to know what cars you want to see on my channel. I have got the Ford Focus Mark III RS coming very soon. And I have a Mustang 5 litre and also a M4 very, very soon, which is quite exciting. And obviously, as everyone knows, the Fiesta ST, the Mark 8. So I've done the review today, but I am needing some more from that, so I have to keep going back to Ford, so that may be a few weeks yet. But yeah, so I want to know what you want to see on my channel, what reactions, what reviews, what do you want to see. But yeah, a massive thank you for watching the video, for liking and commenting, subscribing. If you think you can help me in any way of obviously helping me, my performance of the videos, blah blah blah, message me on Instagram. I reply to everyone, well, I'll try and reply to everyone. So yeah, all my contact details are below. So, but no, thanks for supporting the channel, guys, and I will see you very soon.